How to enter bald knob.
Alright guys, so basically today's our second last day on holidays and we go back to school for our last term. So we're here at Gardeners Falls to just hang out and have a good time.
Nice.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
I got a one hand.
Alright, let's go. Everyone get out the car and let the camera still. Yeah, neither can I now. That ruined the shot, so
Probably should turn off the car.
I'll back you. Gardeners is known for having like rope swings and stuff, and this is the biggest one. And Alex is just gonna do it straight away. Alrighty, we're gonna film, so enjoy the edit.
I've been feeling old, I've been feeling cold. You're the heat that I know. Listen, you are my sun.
We're here filming some B-roll stuff and everyone down there is just looking at us because they think I'm gonna like throw my camera off. Here we see a wild Alex. Oh, he spotted us. Oh shit.
He's mating call.
He is searching for the wild turtle. Oh, he seems to have found something. It is seaweed. Wow. I didn't catch it, but Matt threw that stick at him and it bounced and hit him right in the... Oh! I literally go, oh, let's get out of this gross water, and then I looked at the lighting, I was like, oh, that looks cool. Alex, get in the water.
To give consent.
No!
It's consent.
I asked him to get in the water, he's gonna get in the water.
Don't pay him anything.
Come get in this water.
No.
He's so fine with it. It's like, Alex, you better get in this water. Yeah, okay, I'm really down with that.
12 seconds later.
I get out of the water.
Yeah, you can get out of the water. Matt literally just ran that in the water.
He's not vlog squad material.
Matt's not a part of the sandwich game.
Yeah. What? Yeah, I don't know what that means. Did we eat a sandwich one time?
What are we called?
Fort Boys.
No, we're not. Don't jump, you have so much to live for. Yeah, true, maybe you didn't have that much to live for. Hey, Alex.
Are you still stuck?
Yeah, I'm still stuck. Alright, so basically I came to this spot on like the edge of the rock wall. Can't really get back up, so I'm gonna have to jump down. It's filming.
No.
Hey, what are you guys talking about?
Now like filming an argument and we're just doing really weird stuff. Like
I was pretending to lick his nipple. Oh.
Guys, that's the end of the vlog.
You're being sugar gay right now.
Alright guys, and just like that, we are done now. That was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I always start the vlog like randomly and everyone's like, oh wait, what?
Yeah, I was looking at the window and you're like, alright, let's go.
Yeah. It's a fly!
I see a fly. Open the window. It's not that scary, it's a fly.
I don't know why I opened yours.
Parked all the way. Fucking bless you.
Yeah, it's not good to sneeze and take both your hands off the steering wheel.
Yeah, no.
When I wake in the morning, I smile to myself like I'm thanking God. No more folks like Jonathan. When you gonna grow up and get a job? Cause I made that job. No Steve, that job kept me hungry and foolish. It's the coolest. I'ma dive in like Kendrick and drink.
So we nearly died.
When you're
Alright, so basically we found like a cool lookout point and we were driving past, so we just decided to stop to show you guys and to like really appreciate it. And Ethan is so hungry. But...
Yeah, and the closest Macca's is 18 k's away. Alright, so we just pulled over for no reason. And instead of going to Macca's.
You're so angry. You're like, oh,
I'm hungry.
This is why we stopped. Was it worth it?
Pathetic.
There's a lot of cows.
Hey man, I figured out how we can tell if it's windy.
Oh, there is a horse.
Bro, shut up.
Sorry.
Dude, I figured out how we can tell if it's windy. No, there's a windmill behind you. Either that or you just hear.
That bull had horns.
nice. Was it horny?
What is that now? What? Who are these people? I understand it's 60, but don't go from 80 to 60 in one slam. Just ease up. Like you got a K to just drive. Why are you slowing down?
see much.
You can see the
Here,
wild
oh my god, that's what I was gonna say. Matt, go away.